Today, I'll show you how to send an estimate in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, Wave Accounting offers a convenient way to manage financial tasks, and sending estimates is an essential part of that process. In this guide, we'll walk through each step to ensure you can send your estimates with ease and confidence. First, start by navigating to the left-hand sidebar in your Wave Accounting dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Sales and Payments. Depending on your version, it might simply be called Sales. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Estimates. This will take you to the Estimates directory, where all your current and past estimates are neatly organized. Now that you're in the Estimates directory, it's time to find the specific estimate you want to send. Take a moment to locate your target quote. The estimates are displayed in a grid layout, making them easy to browse. Once you've found the estimate you wish to send, click on it to open the Detailed View page. This page provides an overview of the estimate, including all the essential details such as the client information, the items or services being estimated, and any notes you've added. With the Estimate Detail View open, you're now ready to send it off. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a blue button labeled Send Estimate. Go ahead and click on this button. Doing so will trigger a pop-up window which allows you to customize the delivery of your estimate. This is your opportunity to ensure that all the information is correct and to make any last-minute adjustments if necessary. The pop-up window offers several delivery options. You might choose to send the estimate via email directly from Wave, or perhaps you prefer to download it as a PDF to send through another method. The choice is yours, and Wave provides the flexibility to accommodate your preferred delivery path. Carefully select your desired option, double-checking that all details are accurate before proceeding. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully sent an estimate using Wave Accounting. Remember, the key to smooth transactions is clear communication, and sending an estimate is a perfect way to start that process with your client. If you need to revisit or update an estimate, you can always return to the Estimates directory and make the necessary changes. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on sending an estimate in Wave Accounting. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Wave's features. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to explore other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your accounting processes. Happy estimating!